and the HYDRA AMS is done. Got myself some desiccant holders. Used the text tool and a orca slicer to put some wonderful, Comic Sans, because haha, Comic Sans funny. Made everything in the Belgian flag. And yeah, it's cool. I can fit bigger spools, I can fit smaller spools. It's got like these, if I can show it, it's got like these guides for the spools, so if you've got smaller spools it doesn't start flying left and right. You can rearrange these rollers to like 4 different settings. So yeah, the biggest drawback is that you lose the desiccant pouch holder thingies, but hey, solution here, right here. Grabbing some of this random desiccant beads that turn white, well, pink actually. So yeah, now I can fit all of my spools and I don't need to worry about that. Probably gonna put a hydrometer thingy, whatever they're called, in this one. Yeah, it's cool, it's ready. And now I'm printing desiccant holder spool fitted thingies so that they weigh down empty spools. Yeah, it's cool.